In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sell ebook in Gumroad. So the first thing you may want to do is of course log into your Gumroad account, and if you don't have one yet, make sure to create one to get started. And once you're logged in the left panel, go to the products section, then click on the new product button. Next, select digital product for the product type since you're selling an ebook. Of course, give your product a name, then set a price in this section. And once done, head over to customize. And in this page, you can now start uploading your ebook file, then enter your product details such as description and thumbnail, cover photo, product information, like call to action, summary, and a lot more. And after that, make sure to customize your product page to make it more appealing. And you can do that on the same page. And here in the right corner, you can see a preview on how your product is going to look like for the buyers. Make sure to upload images, add a thumbnail, and include videos if needed, and also write a call to action as these steps encourage people to buy your ebook. And once everything looks good, click on save and continue. And lastly, click on publish and continue. And once published, Gumroad will then generate a shareable link that you can send to your audience so they can purchase your ebook. And that's it. So thank you for watching this video and see you again on the next one.